In this first homework, we're going to have you install MongoDB, just like we showed you in the lesson. You're going to install it either for PC or Mac, depending on what you're using at home. And we're going to have you use the Mongo restore command to load up the database with some files that have been exported before using Mongo dump. And then we're going to also have you connect with the shell to the Mongo database and use the find one command to look up a document in the collection. So let's talk a little bit about this Mongo restore command. So most databases have a way to get data in and out of the database, and MongoDB is no different. And there is a Mongo dump and a Mongo restore command that you can use to bring data in and out of the database. We've created some collections and used Mongo dump to dump them out, and you're going to use Mongo restore to bring them back in. Connecting with the shell, the Mongo shell is going to require you to have Mongo installed and running, of course. You're going to use the M101 collection, which is going to be restored by the Mongo restore command. And then finally, the find one command from the Mongo shell, db.homework1.find1, to find the data element you need to answer the quiz. All right, so let's see what that looks like. I'm gonna do it right here, so you can see what it looks like on a Mac. I'm gonna tar xvf homework1.tar. I've done that. You see, it's created a dump directory with M101 and some of the data here from these different collections. And then there's two other files you're gonna need for the other two homeworks. So let's look at how we get this data in. So we run Mongo restore right here. I just hit return, and it connects to the local MongoDB server, which is running. And you can see right here, it creates some collections. So it creates the M101 database, and it creates the funny numbers collection and the homework 1 collection. And if I then start Mongo and use M101 and show the collections, you can see that there's the funny numbers collection and the homework 1 collection and some indexes. So I'm not going to show you what's in those collections because that's the assignment for the homework to prove that you were able to do it. But if you have any questions, just put your questions in the forums. I'm sure somebody else is running into the same problems as you are. All right.